Guangzhou Dongning Technology Company Limited is established in 2007, which is a high-tech enterprise integrating independent research and development, production, sales, and service in the field of intelligent inkjet marking. After 16 years development and management, Dongning is becoming one of the famous inkjet printer manufacturers in China. Dongning is officially authorized by the IUT, and it's specialized in producing customized inkjet printers. And at the same time, we use the original import ink cartridge, which make our inkjet printers efficient, durable, economical, and practical. We put our focus into brand building, and thus we did successfully register the trademark This Morning in the year 2011. Nowadays, This Morning has already become a famous brand in the smart inkjet printer industry, in home and abroad. Because of our good quality products and outstanding customer service, we have gained the reaching of a global sales network. Dongning has built up long-term business relationships with a broad agent and partners from Europe, America, Middle East, Southeast Asia. The applications for jet ink printers have increasingly reached much wider these years. Our products are widely used in the industry of food and drink packing, medicine, pipeline, dairy cosmetic, electron, and wood. Dongning can meet all customers' different requirements with OEM, ODM service. We sincerely hope to create a mutual flourishing business with all of our global partners.